You know them. All right, so before we even talk about what we're doing today or what you're supposed to be doing today for the actual Explore task / Unit 5 assessment, if you didn't get full credit on all of your responses, you have work to do. You are not going to submit something that has 3 out of 8. I'm only letting you submit it if you have 8 out of 8. So if you don't have full credit on all of your responses, you need to go back and fix those responses. Ms. Lugo and I will be sending you feedback as quickly as possible. All you need to do is follow what the bullet points ask you, follow what the prompts are asking you to do, follow the feedback we give you. It'll be done very, very quickly. Any questions on that? How do I get back to the full size again? Oh, I see. Where is my bar at? There we go. Okay, no questions. Got it. Next, completing your computational artifact. A lot of people submitted to B but did not have their computational artifact. This whole time we're here talking about this computational artifact, and then you did not submit the actual artifact. Doesn't make sense. Make sure you submit that computational artifact. If you need help with that, reach out to Ms. Lugo or myself. Finally, if you have not received all 8 points, I put this in here 2 times to emphasize this, you are not ready to submit. Only when you get all 8 points. Make sure you're checking the Explore task tracker here that is linked in the PowerPoint. Any questions on that, put them in the chat. Otherwise, I will move on, assuming you got it. Moving on, assuming you got it. All right, today, there are 3 things that you need to do in order to submit. This is after you checked off all the boxes from before. This is how you get ready to submit. First, you need to prepare your documents in order to send them because they only want certain file types. Next, you're going to go to the College Board. And then after that, you're going to navigate so that you can submit your documents. I actually can't see it from your view, so I'm going to ask one student to volunteer to actually share their screen so that we could all see it together, because I can't see it from the student view for some reason, because it's dumb, whatever. Whoever volunteers, of course, I will compensate in the form of credit. All right, let's prepare our documents. First thing you're going to do is make sure that they are in a PDF. And let's see if anyone wants help. That's Lugo. Got it. All of your written responses should be in a PDF file. If you don't know how to convert your Google Doc to a PDF, I have put a video here that shows you how to do it. It's 30 seconds. It is not long at all. So make sure you convert all of your written response templates to a PDF. And I think this goes without saying, but I'm going to say it just to be clear. You should be, every time that we correct one of your responses, you should copy and paste that back, the most updated version, into one document that is your written response template, just in case people didn't understand that. All right. The next thing you're going to submit is your computational artifact. If it is a video, it can be in an MP4 or a movie file. There are other file types, but those are like the most popular. If for whatever reason you need to submit it in a different type, let me know and we will figure it out. And then there's the non-video, so that means the infographics and the Google Slides that some people are submitting. Those should also be in a PDF file. You can convert those in the same exact way. Does anybody have any questions about that? Check. Let's see. Individual or under the template? And the template. Oh, okay. Thank you, Navendra. I appreciate it. +2 to Blake Navendra. All right, moving on. Go to the College Board. This is a link to the College Board right here. If you want to click it and start signing in, you can do that. I know many people probably don't remember their sign-in stuff. For the people who do, thank you very much for being a responsible young adult. Everyone else, go the hell up. Make sure that you are actually clicking the reset your password so that you can get in and be ready when you actually are finished, because you don't want to delay it a bunch. So this is the same link that was on the previous slide. You can click right here and it'll take you to the College Board. Any questions about that? Let's see. People are just saying aight. Aight. Somebody said something, but I missed it. Oh well. Finally, you're going to submit your documents once you're in the College Board and you've gone to the right place. Now, I didn't want to post a bunch of screenshots, so I gave you the step-by-step guide because I can't see it from your view. If I could have seen it from your view, I would have tried. Whoever is doing that, please stop. Like, just stop. Let's see. Finally, where was I at again? Oh, I remember. Right here. So this is the first one I posted. No, maybe, yeah. First one I posted. It navigates how to go through the site. So it shows you exactly what you're going to be clicking as you go through it. Here, it gives you an example of the file types. I don't actually know how to remove this yellow thing, but whoever put that there, I will ask one more time. Please remove it. Let's see. They show you how to navigate through the website right here and just follow all the steps that they have going on. Very, very simple, straightforward. I also sent another document that I believe is right here that just has the simple, straightforward steps. All right. Last thing I have for you before we go into questions. Once you have submitted, you are not fully done. I need you to submit a screenshot of the confirmation page and then post that into the Google Classroom under the Unit 5 final submission that I posted for you. Now, I am done. Does anyone have any questions? And if you have questions, feel free to unmute yourself or post in the chat.